Hello there. Welcome, welcome, welcome. If you haven't, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos on how to grow and start a cleaning business. So today we're going to talk about one of the surefire ways to lose your account. Other than your client finding that your employee is stealing, one of the surefire ways to lose your account is not being consistent. That's one of the biggest complaints that we get from customers, that the cleaning company comes in, they do a fantastic job the first couple of months, and then they disappear when it comes to consistency. Why is that the case? Usually it's because the cleaning owner has now turned the business over to one of their employees, and they did not do a really good job of showing them how to clean when it comes to keeping the customer satisfied. You as the cleaning owner know exactly what you need to do to keep the customer satisfied. But when you have someone that is an employee, you have to really know how to train them. And that's one of the parts when it comes to leadership and knowing how to motivate your employees. There's so much to keeping your employees motivated, especially when it comes to cleaning, because every single day, every day, they have to go into an account that's usually 3 or 4 hours and clean like they did it the day before. How do you keep them motivated to keep them cleaning? And normally it's not the money. Whether you're paying them $10 an hour, $12, $15, money will eventually wear thin when it comes to keeping your employees motivated to do a really good job with cleaning. So what do? One of the things you have to do is find out what motivates your employees. Is it praise? Is it time off? Is it money? Is it having their name in the newsletter? Having them as employee of the month or the quarter? That really reduces turnover when you find out what it is that motivates your employees. And remember, just like you're different, so are your employees. Each employee has something that motivates them differently. If you're really interested in learning more, make sure you sign up for a webinar on how to grow and start a cleaning business and how to keep your employees motivated. It'll all be in the same webinar because you actually don't have a cleaning business if you're doing all the cleaning yourself. You're just a glorified employee. It may be your own business, but a true business, a true cleaning business, or any business for that matter, is one that you can leave for a couple of weeks, and when you come back, you still have a business. So learn how to go step by step and getting started with your cleaning business. We have 8 modules that we'll go over, and going from scratch to thousands of dollars a month in starting your cleaning business. So look for the link below on signing up for the free webinar on how to start and grow a cleaning business in 8 sure steps. Look forward to seeing you. Take care, and don't forget to subscribe.